This stuff, is it on?
Yeah.
This stuff cuts very, very easy. But it's, thought it would be much tougher, but it isn't. It goes through just like butter. Piece of nice chaga here. Beautiful. I'm going to dry it up, and I'm going to grind it up in my grinder. Instant tea powder. How far would you see this up? I got my pole saw totally extended here. There it goes. Watch out there, Daniel. It's going to fall. All right. Keep it rolling, Tommy. Show it to the camera, Danny. Okay. Here, hold that saw. Look at that nice piece. Nice piece of chaga here. Cut it off good enough. Boy, that's a beautiful piece. Real nice.